Hey everyone, myself Sekhar Metla, and today you are going to knowing learning Python, how super easily we can take a step-by-step process in the strong fundamentals and learning these fundamentals to apply in terms of core Python, advanced Python and object-oriented programming concepts, making strong build potential of your career growth. Yes, it's truly very interesting way of learning Python using PyCharm IDE, which is a code editor. Strongly you can write clean code. Whenever you are facing some errors or problems in your writing of code and thoughts, you may add Tabnine AI, which is a really artificial intelligence tool to make you master in Python programming while writing a real-time concepts which are in your mind to making you strong potential, finding a way of completing your real-time growth of project requirements, real-time problem solving. This Tabnine AI also help you to give you more suggestions to make you complete your code. All the step-by-step process of you need to apply the basic fundamentals of Python strongly using any of OpenAI tool. Want to try more in this? Harisystems offering a great online courses for you to making master in less time. Want to try? Try today.